Hi, hello, welcome to my channel and to my garden. Today's video I'm going to share with you how to build a affordable raised gardening bed under $30 without using any tools. Yes. So for this we need planter wall blocks, wooden boards, and weed control fabric. The prices that I have already mentioned on the screen, and I will also mention the link in the description box as well. We are constructing 4 feet by 4 feet raised gardening bed. For that we got two 8-feet wooden boards and cut into half. So we got 4 4-feet boards. Place the planter wall blocks at 4 corners. Keep the hole on the planter wall block facing upward so that if you want to extend the height by stacking another planter wall block on top of it, you can insert a rod to hold it tightly, or it can be used for vine plants as well. Take the wooden boards and insert between the slots of the planter wall blocks on all the 4 sides. How easy it is without the tool! And this bed was recommended by my friend Rani, and she suggested me a video, so based on that I'm doing this. And we forgot to clean the ground before we started. This should be the step 1, so please make sure to clean it. And then take the weed control fabric and spread it. You can configure the bed however you want. If you want to increase the height, you can stack the planter wall blocks and boards, and also you can extend sideways as shown in these pictures. Next, add the soil. We got all the materials from Home Depot and this soil as well. We are adding organic potting soil. Thanks to my husband for helping me to build this bed. Next, level the soil equally. Next, I would like to share another technique which will be very helpful for the beginners, and it's called square foot gardening. The author and the inventor of the square foot gardening is Mel Bartholomew. His idea is how we can grow vegetables, greens and fruits in an efficient way and in a small space. He published many books, and his famous square foot gardening book is available in Amazon. Please check it out, and it's very helpful for the beginner gardeners. Let's see how we can use the square foot technique in this bed. Mark 12 inches from the corner of the board on all 4 sides. Nail with any small head nails on the marked areas halfway inside. Next, take a thread, tie it on one nail and wrap it on the other side of the nail. Again wrap it, bring it on the opposite side, wrap it again and go back to the other side and tie it out. Do the same method on the other 2 sides as well. Now we got 16 square boxes. In each boxes we can grow multiple vegetables using the spacing guideline techniques provided by the square foot gardening. For example, broccoli, cabbage will take 1 small square box. Lettuce, chards can take 4 in each box. Beans, spinach and beetroots we can plant up to 9 in each square box. Carrots, radish and onion we can plant up to 16 in each square box. How efficient it is! You can get vegetables and greens for a family of 2 from this bed. You don't need to have a big backyard to start this method. just a small patio or a small backyard, or even you can start in terrace. If you can't get these materials, you can try it in the pots using the same technique. This is the final result of my gardening bed. Hope you liked my video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.